Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to do a lesson on intervals, and the accompanying PDF to this video also talks about basic tonic triads. So yeah, intervals, they're just the distances between two notes in music, and they can be counted just using numbers or are worked out using the lines and spaces. So say we wrote a note in the bottom space and the second space. If you count the lines and spaces there, including the ones that they're on, so you've got space, line, space, that's 1, 2, 3, so that one's a third. Say we wrote one on the second line and then to the space, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's a fourth. And then these two notes would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a fifth, or even a second like that, so 1, 2, that would be a second. If you notice, there's a little bit of a pattern in that if you have two notes that are both in spaces, or the same applies if they're both on lines, two lines, well, it could be like this. That's another third. Well, those intervals are odd numbers, so if they're on the same thing, lines or spaces, then it's odd. If there's one on a line and one in a space, then the number's even. So that's quite a useful tip. Yeah, we can also go into greater depth using words such as major and minor, or perfect, augmented and diminished. Those last two we won't talk about in this particular lesson, but at a later date we will. And it's just worth mentioning at this point that a semitone is the smallest possible distance between two notes in music that you can have. Yeah, it's the smallest interval that there is. But yeah, if you count the number of semitones, you can name the intervals in more depth. So one semitone would be known as a minor second also, or two semitones is a major second. And then you can continue to three, which is a minor third. And then four semitones is known as a major third. And the next one, 5, would be a perfect fourth, and then it goes on. As I say, the PDF deals with all of those in more detail. So yeah, if you would like to download that PDF, it's available on the Barehand website, barehandmusic.co.uk/tutorials. There's also a free PDF available if you want to sign up to our mailing list. The information and the link is in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to subscribe to the channel, well, give the video a like and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you in a future video soon. Cheers.